Quezon City, home to millions living in the urban landscape of the Philippines. Being a busy city demands good transportation to keep the businesses and lives in order. However, the reality is far from ideal in this quaint city, when tragedy is too common on these busy streets. The most notorious perpetrator would be the Commonwealth Avenue. Its name may sound ordinary, and being the widest road in the city, one would think that it would be the safest. But the casualties and fatalities happening on the avenue has given it the rather crude title of the Killer Highway. Speeding and disobedience of the traffic rules, these are just some of the reasons why the Killer Highway claimed thousands of lives annually. Most of the fatalities involve motorcyclists colliding with larger vehicles. Not only have these accidents led to loss of lives and property damage, but also extreme congestion along the heavily used avenue, delaying transport of goods and increasing total vehicle emissions. This explains why disruption of economic flow and significant levels of air pollution remain a challenge for Quezon City.
Impacts are categorized into environment, social, and economic. One significant environmental impact includes air pollution that is mainly caused by the emissions of vehicles. Since the volume of car is high during traffic congestion, the air quality will also be reduced. Victims of traffic accidents and their families will also suffer from social repercussions. Some examples include the loss of breadwinners, the coping of hospital bills, and the development of emotional trauma. Lastly, the congestions will lead to the slowing down of the transportation of people, goods, and services. This will affect Quezon City's economy because the workforce productivity will be reduced. Therefore, as a technical consultancy firm, EcoBuild would like to address the problems regarding the infrastructure of Commonwealth Avenue, as well as propose a few solutions in hopes to minimize the environmental, social, and economical problems plaguing the city. My colleague Hani will elaborate more.
Hi, I'm the project manager for EcoBuild. EcoBuild is a dedicated company that aims to identify urban problems and solve them with efficient, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective methods. Our company recognizes the poor traffic conditions on the Commonwealth Avenue and has deemed that there is an urgent need to improve the situation. Our first objective is to reduce the volume of cars per unit time by 50% in 2026. By achieving this, traffic flow will be smoother, which will improve the traffic congestion and reduce the traveling time. Our second objective is to reduce the number of car accidents by 50% in 2026. This is in accordance with the United Nations pledge in 2017, which is to reduce the number of car accidents by 50% in 2020. With our two objectives, we hope to raise the standards of living in Quezon City. Thank you.